What's up, online shoppers? My little green machine just arrived in the mail, and I'm getting it because I have all kinds of upholstered furniture that definitely needs to be steamed. There it is in the box. So here is the little green machine out of the box. So there are two things that we have to attach with a screw or by clipping them in place. This here is the hose bracket, and this here is the flex hose storage bracket, and it's going to get installed at the back of the machine. So let's put in the front bracket first, and that is a very simple assembly. All we have to do is take it and slide it in place, and you'll know it's in place when it makes a click noise, and then it is good on that end. This little bracket will help with cord management. So it does come complete with the screw that you need to install it. And all you have to do to install it is literally take this little bracket here, pop it in. So we're gonna insert the screw, nice easy installation, and the back's flex hose plate is installed. This is going to allow me to wrap the hose around and open this little flap and lock it in place, and you can see how nicely this manages the cord along with the support of the front bracket, and all of your cord is nice and neat and controlled. While we have it flipped around, I want to show you something that I think is super thoughtful. It really ticks all the boxes for me when companies go the extra distance to create a machine that is really made for people's convenience. And I love that they have included a cord keeper. For me, being able to put this on a shelf, really nice and neat, contained in one compact little package, that is thoughtfulness at its best. And that their 15-foot cord, which is nice and long, you can plug it into the wall and not need an extension cord, also has a cord keeper on the end. Those extra details are always the things that win me over. Now, this Bissell stain remover comes with a couple really cool parts. The tank has 48 ounces of cleaning capacity, and then on the other side it has the dirty water tank. Inside the box you also get the tools and the cleaning formula. This is the Bissell specific branded cleaning solution. It's designed specifically for portable carpet and upholstery steamers like this one. And this is the only one that you should be using to ensure optimal performance of your machine. And let's talk about the water tanks. Super easy to remove, just like that. And this is the one where you would be putting your clean water and your cleaning solution. Nice, easy to remove lid. Just pop that out, put your water and cleaning solution in, pop this back in, and then all it takes, and by the way, the hand grips are awesome. And here's something clever. They clearly label where your fill line is on the upside down part of this, because that's where it's gonna be when you're filling it. Then you just pop it back on, nice and easy, you line it up, and it is in place. This side here is your wastewater side. Lifting this helps you to release the tank. And when you see the water get to this level right here, clearly indicated full, it's time to empty. This is the nozzle the steam and solution comes out of, and this is where the wastewater is directed. So let's take a look at the attachments. This is your power cleaning head. It just clips in this way. In order to make it work, you've got your little trigger right here that you squeeze with your hand, and that will allow the steam and the water solution to come out through here. You've got a really nice small head so you can get into tiny places, and the great cleaning bristles here, great for manipulating the areas where the stains are. Now, just to show you a little bit more about how this head works, and you can see that this actually rotates pretty nicely. So this is your trigger for getting it to work. This is where all of the steam comes out. The steam is ejected from here, hits this little backing, and then comes down onto whatever surface you're trying to steam clean. From here, you have the scrubbing action, and this is your vacuum for all of the wastewater. You're holding down the trigger, the steam and solution is coming out into the area like the carpet you're trying to clean, and then this is sucking up all the wastewater so that you are left with only a mildly damp surface. Now using this head is a three-step process. The first thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna depress this lever here, and it's gonna release a stream of hot cleaning solution. It's going to come out of this nozzle, bounce off here, and be directed downwards. So that's going to be how you get your cleaning solution into your area. Once you release that trigger, you're no longer spraying hot steam, but you are going to use the brush underneath here to really work the stain well. And then when you are ready to remove all of that dirty water, if you just put this down on the surface and draw back with significant pressure, this is going to vacuum all of the dirty wastewater back up in, and it will be brought through the hose and back up into this receptacle here. And then when you see that it is full, it's time to empty and change. Now this is the hydrorinse tool, and this is the way that you are going to clean your hose. And this little bracket here is so that it can clip onto your hose, so it works like this. You're going to press the button here to take the top off, and you're gonna put the hydrorinse on like this. Now when you do this, you're gonna hear a click, and this is sealed tight. So this is going to allow you to rinse your hose and get all the residual dirt out of there and harness the cleaning power that's already in here. So by putting on the hydrorinse top, it's fully locked, and what you're gonna do is depress this lever for about 30 seconds while you're holding your hose upright. This hot steamy water will come out of here, be directed down into the hose, and that way you'll be rinsing all of the built up sediment from the stains that you're cleaning on whatever surfaces you're treating. Now there are a couple things that you can do with this machine that will make your stain removal even more effective. If you pre-treat an area first, that would be by holding your trigger down and really super saturating the area, letting it sit for 3 to 5 minutes, and then going in with your wand and your deep power scrubber and really working on that stain. That's gonna be the solution that you need to help get those really stubborn stains out. This Bissell little green machine is awesome. I have been looking forward to getting this thing put in action because I have lots of work to do. And I don't think I've honestly ever been more excited about cleaning than when I pulled this little green fella out of the box. It is compact. There are lots of thoughtful elements like the cord keeper, like the ability to rinse your hose when it's dirty, the fact that all the compartments are easy on, easy off, and it stores in one nice, neat compartment. If you are looking for a steamer for your house, I've done the research. This one here, even though it's brand new, is already a family favorite at my house. What's up everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.